Assembling the Bender BB Bus. To assemble the BB Bus, you need the devices to be mounted, the BB Bus, mounting clips, 2 end clamps, and an information sticker. Attach the mounting clips to the BB Bus and snap into place. Ensure that the small bumps on the mounting clip are positioned directly over the 2 holes on the BB Bus. Use a screwdriver to carefully break and remove the bridge piece on the rear of the device housing. Position the BB Bus so that the mounting clips are aligned directly over the L-shaped cutouts on the rear of the device. Gently depress the BB Bus to establish an electrical contact between the device and the BB Bus. While still applying a gentle pressure, secure the BB Bus into place by sliding the mounting clips to the right. Follow the same procedure for all BB Bus-enabled devices in your installation. With the BB Bus attached to the devices, mount and clip the master device onto the DIN rail. All other devices should then be mounted to the right of the master device. Remember to keep a small distance between each of the devices. To establish a connection between all the devices, first slide the device directly beside the master device to the left until its BB Bus locks with the BB Bus of the master device. Follow this procedure to connect any additional devices by sliding them to the left until all BB Bus connectors have been interfaced. Place the sticker so that one half of it is stuck to one device and the other half is stuck to the other device. The purpose of the sticker is to ensure that the devices are separated from one another before being demounted from the DIN rail. And finally, clip an end clamp onto each side of the BB Bus installation. When mounting is completed, you are now ready for testing.